everybody! Today we are going to make some special Korean side dish, 양념게장, spicy raw crabs. These are flash frozen crab from Korea. As soon as they caught this crab, they froze really quickly. Some of you guys might be wondering, how can you eat just raw crab? But actually this is a really Korean delicacy. Really yummy. Very sweet and kind of really juicy, and it's seasoned with spicy seasoning, melting in your mouth. The most important thing is you need to make this with live crabs. Almost really has to be fresh. Crabs just go bad so quickly. If you use blue crabs, check out my other raw crab recipe, and then you will see in the video how to handle live blue crabs. You will see. So let's get started. I gotta wear my gloves. So this is 2 kilo. This is 꽃게. Koreans make 양념게장 with this. And you see some like a line. It's a fishing line. Let's wash this first. Some are large, some are small. You see, look at this fishing line. Look at these all large claws are just all broken. You gotta wash this with a brush, kitchen brush. I'm going to wash it later one more time. When I was young, my mom and me, we used to go the early, open air market. I came from the really harbor city, and early morning means like 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, almost dark. And I always remember mom holding my hands, and then just we went to the market. And then my mom bought just a live crabs, and then brought home. These crabs are moving around, and she used the back of a knife, and then just she cut off first, so that she will never get pinched, like this. And so once you get rid of this, tip, you don't have to worry about getting pinched. And remove this. We called this apron. So grab this, all these legs, and here very pointed, and like this. It's open. Oh my God, so nice, isn't it? Looks delicious. Now I'm going to remove this. This is gills. Gill is through gills breathing. So always it has a kind of stuck some mud inside. This one. So remove like this. And then cut just a half like this here. Easily you can cut off. So this part is no meat inside. Just cut off. I'm going to wash it really quickly later, so I will put it here. Okay, remove this. This thing is a delicious stuff. We never waste. Just put it here, save, and remove the gills. Wow, it looks heavy. A lot of meat inside. Around here is a part, eyes and intestine, remove. Just clean around here. Using your finger like this, easy. And cut in half. Yes. 양념게장, this kind of raw crab is first thing you gotta know that is how to clean, how to cut, which one is edible, which one not edible. Once you know this one, how to handle this, so easy, too easy. I'm going to also, you see, use your spoon, just scoop it out. Yes. Okay, let's wash. Just I'll measure 2 pounds. This is too big. Between this, easily you can cut. This part is very sharp. It may hurt your mouth. You know, this method. Just the back of your knife. Like this. Just you break this, pre-broken, so that easily you can also the seasoning go inside easily. Make your life a little easier. My mom's method. This is 2 pounds 4 ounce. So 2 pounds 4 ounce, I can make 2 pounds. This is 2 pounds, only 2 left over, 2 pieces. Kind of a crab tamales, I can just put it here, like this. Now done, almost done. Just so we can add the seasoning and mix. So this is dozens of large garlic cloves, and this is around 1 tablespoon amount of ginger. Mince this. Lots of garlic and some ginger. Nice. Okay, I will add this here. This is 1/3 cup, my measuring cup. I will use 2, which means 2/3 cups. 1, 2. Half a cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons sugar. Any sugar, brown or white. This is cane sugar. And mix. Just mixing. By time goes by, hot pepper flakes and all this incorporated really nicely. Actually, I make this and then tomorrow is more delicious because all seasoning is absorbed inside. Sesame seeds about 1 tablespoon. I'm going to close this and keep in the refrigerator, and tomorrow I can eat it. I will show you tomorrow. Hi everybody, this is my breakfast. Yesterday I made this gejang. I'm going to start eating from today. Usually after I'm making, I have to finish eating just in 1 week. I made some side dishes and rice and stew, 된장찌개, and kimchi, freshly made kimchi I made yesterday, and 콩나물 무침, soybean sprouts, and tofu, so easy, pan-fried tofu with seasoning sauce on top. Okay? Look at that. Nice. Let's have some 게장. 게장, rice, lots of flesh inside. Sweet and salty, savory. Suck out this all delicious flesh. I'm using paper towel instead of my cotton napkin. Let's have some other side dish too. So good. And 콩나물 무침. Crunchy tofu is so easy to make. You just pan fry with some cooking oil until crunchy, and then add some seasoning sauce. It's a lot of flesh it has, see? Like this. Like this. And still we can steam. Don't swallow. I showed you how to make 양념게장, always served with rice. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.